Now that you've learned how to set up violation types and violation templates, as well as settings for those violations, the next step in the process is to create a violation. There are two ways to do this. One is by using the phone software out in the field. What I'm going to show you today is how to create a violation from your website in the office. Let's say somebody calls into your office and tells you that someone on Huntington Point has a violation of the grounds for mowing their lawn. All you have to do to set that up is go into the Open Violations section of the website, down in Projects and Violations, and click on the Add New button. Now this page is going to show you all of the open violations that exist in your community. When you click on Add New, you can select the association that you want to create this violation for. You can also select the homeowner that you're looking for. These are all in order by the last name of the homeowner. And then you can select the violation type and the violation template. So that was actually a landscaping violation, mowing their lawn. And as you can see, it fills in the remedy for you and the details, so you don't have to type a whole lot of text in here. Now, if you want to, you can put in here violation reported by phone, follow up with a visit to the property. And in this case, you'll be able to see this description on the phone when you pull this record up out in the field. And one of the things that you can do out in the field is you can take a picture of the violation and tag it to this record. So when you go out into the field and you pull up this violation, you'll see in the description that you have to follow up with a visit to the property. You can then clear out this information and take a picture and resave it to update the record. Now by default, we've start all of our processes in Not Yet Notified. And the reason for that is the system will automatically generate the first level of notification if it's set to Not Yet Notified. Now if you've spoken with the owner and the owner has told you that they need some time to resolve the problem, this is where you would put that information, in the owner comments section. The remainder of this section is all managed automatically, and you can ignore it while creating a new record. If, for instance, you have an image that's been brought back from the field, let's say the person did not have the Tracer app on their phone, they took a picture and they wanted it put into a violation, you can do that by clicking on the Browse, finding that picture, and adding it to the record. And once you've added it to this section and clicked on Save, it will be attached to the record. Now I've just come in here and I've created this record for Lake Crossing. I can edit this record in the future by clicking the blue Edit pencil. I can then make changes. I can update with owner comments and save the changes. Now at the end of my month or the end of my week, I can come in here and I can pull up a report of everything that's been done. If you scroll to the right here, you can see the reported date. Now each one of these little upside down triangles are filters, and in this case we can filter what's happened yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month. We give you all of the options to filter by reported date that are available. Additionally, if you want to look for a specific association, you can type in the association name, or if you're looking for a specific homeowner, let's say we're looking for just this 8957, we can return that as well. Now we can also use the homeowner's name, or we can use the full address. Easiest way is obviously to use just the street number. You can also sort by violation template, by the description. You can put in by the number of cure days. What you'll only ever see on this page is open violations. And once you've sorted by however you want it filtered, you can export this to Excel to create a report. Clicking on the Export to Excel function will export exactly what you see here. So all of your filters will automatically be recognized, and you will have just the list of records that fit that filter.